In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 6 ways to earn that you can make up to $10,000 in a month. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know, this is the channel that shows you the way to make money, the legit ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. If this is something you're interested in, if this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves in the comments. Yes, so I want to know you guys. So my name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm based here in California, and I drop 3 videos every week, so make it a day to join me in on my next video. If you have not joined the family, what are you waiting for? Please join the family, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bells so that you get notified once I drop a new video. You know, on this channel I'm consistently doing research and looking for multiple ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. You guys know I'm working for you guys day and night. So guys, come with me, let's go. Let's just get right into it. Come with me, let's go. So guys, the world is becoming more virtual, increasing the number of ways that you can make money online. An online work from home situation offers a lot of perks, including flexibility, a comfortable environment with no stressful commute. So whether you're stuck in an office and you're ready to make a change, or you're just looking for a convenient way to make money on the side, guess what? In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how to make up to $10,000 online. So the first method is to become a podcaster. Yes, you can become a podcaster and earn as much as $10,000 or even much more from the comfort of your home. Yes, so all you need to become a podcaster is a computer or a mobile device, tools and skills in audio recording and editing, great speaking and communication skills. It is actually best for talkative. Are you a talkative? Do you like to entertain people? Yes, you have the income potential of getting up to from $1,400 to $13,000 in a month. Hey, don't sleep on it though. I'm not kidding you guys. So starting a podcast is one of the most profitable online business ideas, with a number of global podcast listeners projected to reach around 500 million listeners by 2024. All you need is a computer or mobile device with a built-in microphone that is enough to start a podcast. However, I recommend investing in proper audio equipment and software to improve recording quality. All you need is a topic to talk about and engaging communication skills. You can create a podcast on any topic, from financial tips to true crime to building an agency, and podcast where you share your knowledge on digital marketing is also feasible. After recording and editing the first few episodes, find a podcast hosting platform to publish them online. And some of the best ones are Buzzsprout, Resonate, and Anchor. Now, most podcasts primarily make money from sponsorships. So once your podcast has attracted a following, consider signing up for production agencies like Spotify or Pacific Content to grow your brand, content quality, and audience reach. Make sure that you promote the podcast on social media and other platforms like your website, because a podcast team and an audio player can help to boost your podcast brand identity and discoverability. What can be better than that? What are you waiting for? Start your podcast today. Another way to actually make money from the comfort of your home, make up to $10,000, is to become a voiceover actor. Yes, so do you know you can make up to $10,000 as a voiceover actor? Yes, you heard me right. Do you have a beautiful or unique or radio announcer voice tone? Have you considered a voiceover job? Yes, so successful voiceover actors have a background. Most of them have a background in acting, although it's not necessary, and they are able to do different characters or accents. So voiceover actors can find work narrating ebooks, online videos, or online ads. So to get started, you will need a professional portfolio to share with potential clients. Voiceover acting also requires some initial investment, so you will need to purchase a microphone and headphones, as well as voice recording and editing software, so that you can actually you can actually carry out the tasks that are given to you by whoever employs you. And the next way to actually make up to $10,000 or more every month is to start a blog. Yes, what are you waiting for? So you know what? A blog is a website where you regularly share your ideas or expertise with your readers. So before you start sharing your thoughts, you will need to create a website. You can actually hire someone to build it for you, or you do it yourself. So website builders like Squarespace make it really easy to put together a website, or even your own, you know, with no previous experience. Once your site is up, it's all about writing good content consistently and promoting your blog to attract readers and subscribers. If you want to actually monetize your blog, you need an audience, and then you can use methods like affiliate marketing. Which means earning income through product recommendations and ads. You can also create your own product or service and sell it on your website. And then guess what? You can also start testing websites and apps. Yes, so if you like being paid to take surveys, you might enjoy making money or rewards to test websites and apps. So instead of answering questions about specific products, you get to use websites and apps to provide your feedback, which is similar to taking surveys. So you are not yeah, it's a fun way to get paid for your perspective. So if you're interested, make sure that you check out websites like User Testing, User Picks, and Userlytics. Yes, in addition to your computer, you will often need a microphone to be able to participate in these amazing opportunities. And just so you know, if you become a blogger, when you start your own blog, there are multiple ways to actually monetize that blog on its own. Yes, when you start your blog, you can use it to create ads, adverts for businesses around you. Reach out to businesses around you and tell them that you have a blog. They can subscribe to you monthly, to your blog monthly or yearly. You can give them a package, give them a discounted fee, and then they can pay to be on your blog every month. That's one way to make money. You can also make money from AdSense. You can join Google AdSense, and then YouTube starts to place ads on your website, and that way you can start to make money. You can also make money by selling your own goods and services. Yes, using your blog. I'm telling you, you can also become an affiliate marketer. Put some products or services on your website. Encourage people to buy products, or you can suggest, oh, I have this, tested and trusted websites where you can purchase X and Y. And when people purchase from those websites, you get a commission from it. You get paid directly into your bank account, guys. Don't sleep on it. And in case you are looking for any affiliate business or marketing, I also have a course that you can sell and make a commission from it. You get paid for every course that you sell, for every sale, and if you're interested, find my email in the description of my channel, and email me, and of course we're going to start business. You can start working with me and make money from the comfort of your home, guys. What can be better than that? On this channel, I've always got you guys covered. On this channel, I'm your business mogul. I'm here to always share with you guys various ways to make money online, ways that there are avenues to actually make money that you are not even thinking about. There are some that you look down on thinking there's nothing. Hey, sweetie, you can make money. Like I always say on this channel, money is everywhere. You just have to know where to look. And the moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. This is on this channel, I'm here to always share all this juicy information with you guys. I'm here to share juicy information with you guys and get you guys updated with the latest ways to make money legitimately. Oh yes, from the comfort of your home. And I hope this video has blessed you. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you have not turned on your notification bell for this channel, what are you waiting for? Okoya, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and turn on your notification bells so that you get notified each time that I drop a new video. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. I love you. God bless you. Bye, guys.